Dark Matter by Blake Crouch. It is a story about a man named Jason Dessen, a teacher in university. He lives in Chicago with his wife Daniela and his son Charlie. One night, when Jason leaves home to meet up with an old friend, he gets kidnapped by a man with a mask and a weapon. You might think this is the usual kidnapping story, but you are very wrong. Because "Are you happy with your life?" is the last sentence the kidnapper said to Jason, right before he knocked him unconscious. And once Jason wakes up, he finds himself in a weird place, unfamiliar and tied to a bed. And a person smiling down upon him, saying, "Welcome back, my friend." At this point in the book, both the reader and Jason are highly confused and not understanding anything that is happening. Jason finds himself in a life where he has no wife, no son, and he is no longer a teacher. Instead, he is a genius in physics and one who has accomplished the impossible. At this point in the book, you'll probably be very confused and keep asking yourself, what is happening here? But don't worry, once you find out what is this really all about, everything would click into place and you'd enjoy it even more. Jason seeks the truth behind everything he was thrown into, while his wife and son are somewhere far out of reach. All he wants is to get his family and life back, but it is not going to be easy. I hope you enjoy reading this book. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any suggestions you have in the comment section below.